Assalamu alaikum. My Recon Jet glasses has been arrived from Canada. Let's see and unbox it. The Recon Jet is the actually computer which is embedded on the sunglasses. Actually used for the warehouses for scanning and picking up the barcodes and their luggage in warehouses. And it also used distance runners and the cyclists, athletes, sportsmen. Let's start and see what is in the box. Let's open it. Here is a good hard box. Zip opening. Here is the Recon logo. Let's see what is inside the box. So here we are. So let's see what is it. I think it's a cleaning material for the glasses, very soft and with logo of glasses Recon. Here is the I think manual. Let's see, is it in what? Quick start and warranty card. So we read it's a complete manual for the glasses, how it works, what are the functions. So let's take inside more. Here is the data cable for charging and connectivity. A simply USB cable. And here is our finally item, which is the glasses. Let's take it off. So let's see. So here is finally glasses, Recon Jet glasses. Here, this is the start button. Here is a sensor for moving forward, backward, selecting the option. This is for adjustment for your eye viewfinder. Here is the cameras, which is 720p, and here is the adjustable for the nose adjustment. Here is this is the swappable battery, and this is the actually display. Here is the 720p camera, and this light indicate that the Recon glasses is on. Now it's fully working condition. Here is the sensor for just like a button, swipe forward and backward to select option. This is the power button, and this option is this button is used for also selection the option. This is the adjustable button for screen. You can adjust these according to your how you feel comfortable while wearing it. So we will make some video on it and see and scanning some barcodes and take some photos from that camera.